They say in his free time he likes to play video games. Others say when he's tired he likes to go to bed. It is said when he is hungry he likes to go to the fridge and grab food. On a daily basis he goes on Facebook 50 times a day. And just to stay physically fit, he works out with heavy weights. And when he tests, he prefers to study before it. I don't always drink water, but when I do, I prefer tap. Stay ordinary, my friends. He is the most ordinary man in the world.